Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Docker engine running and a compiled static binary or minimal file system ready. Once done, create a clean build context directory and place only what the container needs. Write a Docker file that uses Scratch as the base or use from Alpine if you need a shell during build. This minimizes attack surface and size. Make sure file permissions and ownership are correct and that your binary is statically linked. This prevents runtime library errors inside the empty base. Now craft the Docker file with intention. Start with from Scratch for the smallest image, or from Alpine if you need SH and package managers during build. Copy your static binary and necessary configs into /app, set workdir/app, and create or switch to a non-root user to improve security. Use an entry point for the main executable and CMD for default args. This makes overrides easy. Optimize by combining copy steps and removing build artifacts to keep layers small and predictable for faster pulls. Build with Docker build team image tag, and then run the container to validate behavior. Once running, check logs and exit codes. If it fails, reproduce locally and iterate on the Docker file. Make sure environment variables and mounted volumes match production expectations. If you use Scratch and something is missing, rebuild adding required files or switch briefly to Alpine for interactive debugging. Key troubleshooting tip: when nothing starts, run an interactive shell in a temporary image variant to inspect missing libraries, permissions, or incorrect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.